Top 10 New Midsize Adventure Motorcycles for 2025. The world of midsize adventure motorcycles is thriving, offering a perfect blend of performance, versatility, and affordability. For 2025, several manufacturers have unveiled exciting new models that cater to both seasoned riders and newcomers to the adventure bike scene. Here are the top 10 midsize adventure motorcycles you should consider for the upcoming year. Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES. The Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES has been a favorite among adventure riders, and the 2025 model continues this tradition with refined features. Expect an upgraded electronics package, including an improved 7-inch TFT display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Enhanced suspension systems, featuring adjustable Showa electronically controlled suspension, promise a smoother ride over rough terrain. The 1,084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine remains powerful and reliable, with slight tweaks for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES specification. Power, 108 horsepower at 7,500 RPM. Torque, 72 pound-foot at 6,000 RPM. Wet weight, 526 pounds. Suspension travel, 9.1-inch front and 9.1 rear. Base MSRP, $13,999. The Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES is a powerhouse in the midsize category, offering exceptional off-road capabilities and a comfortable ride on the highway. Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro. Triumph's Tiger 900 GT Pro builds on the success of its predecessors with several enhancements for 2025. It boasts a revised 888 cubic centimeters triple-cylinder engine that delivers smoother power and better throttle response. New features include an updated quickshifter, adaptive cruise control, and a comprehensive suite of rider aids. With its refined ergonomics, improved wind protection, and a high-quality TFT display, the Tiger 900 GT Pro is geared for comfort and capability on long-haul adventures. Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro specification. Power, 94 horsepower at 8,750 RPM. Torque, 64 pound-foot at 7,250 RPM. Wet weight, 535 pounds. Suspension travel, 7.5-inch front, 7.5 rear. Base MSRP, $14,995. The Tiger 900 GT Pro is a versatile bike that excels in both on-road and off-road conditions, making it a great choice for adventure enthusiasts. Moto Guzzi V85 TT Strada. The Moto Guzzi V85 TT Strada offers a unique Italian flair to the midsize adventure segment. Its 853 cubic centimeters V-twin engine delivers a charismatic power output, paired with a redesigned chassis for improved handling. The Strada version includes premium features like a more advanced ABS system and an updated traction control system. The classic styling, combined with modern technology, makes this bike stand out in both performance and aesthetics. Moto Guzzi V85 TT Strada specification. Power, 85 horsepower at 7,500 RPM. Torque, 50 pound-foot at 6,500 RPM. Wet weight, 530 pounds. Suspension travel, 7.1-inch front, 7.1 rear. Base MSRP, $12,200. The V85 TT Strada offers a unique blend of Italian style and adventure capability, perfect for those seeking a distinctive ride. BMW F800GS Sport. The BMW F800GS Sport is making a return in 2025 with a host of updates to keep it competitive. The bike features a new 798 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine with increased power and torque, coupled with an updated suspension system for better off-road performance. The inclusion of a new TFT display and BMW's latest electronics package, including cornering ABS and dynamic traction control, ensures that riders have the tools they need for any adventure. BMW F800GS Sport specification. Power, 90 horsepower at 8,000 RPM. Torque, 61 pound-foot at 5,500 RPM. Wet weight, 520 pounds. Suspension travel, 7.5-inch front, 7.5 rear. Base MSRP, $12,495. The F800GS Sport is a reliable and capable mid-size adventure bike, ideal for both beginners and experienced riders. Suzuki V-Strom 800 SE. Suzuki's V-Strom 800 SE is poised to impress with its updated 776 cubic centimeters engine that emphasizes a balance between power and fuel efficiency. The new model incorporates a robust suspension setup with adjustable forks and rear choke, providing greater adaptability to varying terrain. Enhanced electronic rider aids, such as traction control and multiple riding modes, further refine the bike's off-road capabilities. Suzuki V-Strom 800 SE specification. Power, 90 horsepower at 8,000 RPM. Torque, 61 pound-foot at 6,000 RPM. Wet weight, 530 pounds. Suspension travel, 7.5-inch front, 7.5 rear. Base MSRP, $10,999. The V-Strom 800 SE is a well-rounded bike that offers a smooth ride and impressive off-road capabilities. Ducati Multistrada V4 RS. Ducati's Multistrada V4 RS is a high-performance addition to the mid-size adventure market. With a 1,158 cubic centimeters V4 engine that delivers exhilarating power, this model is designed for those who seek speed and agility. The RS version offers advanced electronics including cornering ABS, dynamic traction control, and a comprehensive suite of rider assistance systems. Its aggressive styling and lightweight construction make it a standout choice for both on- and off-road performance. Ducati Multistrada V4 RS specification. Power, 170 horsepower at 10,500 RPM. Torque, 90 pound-foot at 8,000 RPM. Wet weight, 540 pounds. Suspension travel, 7.5-inch front, 7.5 rear. Base MSRP, $20,995. The Multistrada V4 RS is a high-performance adventure bike that combines exceptional power with advanced technology. CF Moto 800 metric tons Explore. CF Moto's 800 metric tons Explore introduces a competitive edge to the mid-size adventure segment. Its 799 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine is tuned for a balance of power and efficiency. This model features a fully adjustable suspension system and a robust chassis, making it suitable for serious off-road adventures. Additionally, the 800 metric tons Explore comes equipped with modern electronics, including a color TFT display and a suite of advanced rider aids. CF Moto 800 metric tons Explore specification. Power, 80 horsepower at 8,000 RPM. Torque, 55 pound-foot at 6,500 RPM. Wet weight, 520 pounds. Suspension travel, 7.1-inch front, 7.1 rear. Base MSRP, $9,799. The 800 metric tons Explorer is a budget-friendly option that offers a robust engine and reliable performance. Yamaha Tracer 7 GT. The Yamaha Tracer 7 GT is an exciting new entry that combines sport touring with adventure capabilities. Its 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine delivers lively performance, while the updated suspension provides a comfortable ride over various terrains. The GT model features enhanced ergonomics, a more refined windscreen, and integrated luggage options, making it a versatile choice for both everyday commutes and long-distance journeys. Yamaha Tracer 7 GT specification. Power, 74 horsepower at 7,500 RPM. Torque, 50 pound-foot at 6,500 RPM. Wet weight, 520 pounds. Suspension travel, 7.1-inch front, 7.1 rear. Base MSRP, $10,999. The Tracer 7 GT is a versatile bike that excels in both touring and adventure riding. Benelli TRK 702 X. Benelli's TRK 702 X is a notable addition for 2025, offering an impressive blend of style and functionality. The 702 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine provides a strong performance, and the bike comes equipped with advanced features such as a new digital dashboard, improved suspension, and updated electronics. Its rugged design and off-road capability make it a compelling option for those looking to explore new horizons. Benelli TRK 702 X specification. Power, 75 horsepower at 8,500 RPM. Torque, 50 pound-foot at 6,500 RPM. Wet weight, 520 pounds. Suspension travel, 7.1-inch front, 7.1 rear. Base MSRP, $9,999. The TRK 702 X is a budget-friendly option that offers a robust engine and reliable performance. Honda NC750 X. The Honda NC750 X is back with refinements for 2025, continuing to offer a practical and versatile adventure motorcycle. Its 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine is known for its impressive fuel economy and low-end torque. The new model features updated ergonomics, a refined suspension setup, and improved rider aids. With its unique storage compartment where the fuel tank would traditionally be, the NC750 X remains a practical choice for both commuting and adventure riding. Honda NC750 X specification. Power, 70 horsepower at 6,500 RPM. Torque, 50 pound-foot at 4,500 RPM. Wet weight, 520 pounds. Suspension travel, 7.1-inch front, 7.1 rear. Base MSRP, $9,999. The NC750 X is a unique bike that combines the versatility of an adventure bike with the practicality of a commuter. These mid-size adventure motorcycles offer a range of options for riders of all levels, from beginners to seasoned adventurers. Each bike has its unique features and strengths, ensuring that there is something for everyone in the world of mid-size adventure bikes.